How to fix WhatsApp messages search not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen, and further tap on iCloud option you see there, and then tap on the See All option. Now, go ahead and navigate to the WhatsApp option and make sure the toggle button there is toggled on. And if the toggle button is toggled on already, then toggle off the WhatsApp toggle button and further wait for a few seconds and toggle on the toggle button again. Next, go back to Settings homepage and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Navigate to WhatsApp and tap on that, and further, offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. Next, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. And lastly, try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp messages search not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.